Hi, this is Bong Musafagute, a current Sebenza intern working as a Fauna ecologist at CapeNature. I'm a young person who loves nature, and I believe that we are because of Mother Nature. And nature conservation should be part and parcel of everyone who is living in this planet. So last year, 2022, I happened to be part of the South African Water Research Commission graduate program, um, which as graduates were placed in different institutions and organizations across the country. And I was lucky because I was placed at the University of KwaZulu-Natal, Department of Ecology. There I was involved in various ecology, or I could say nature conservation related projects. So one of the projects that I was involved in was setting up camera traps in the Simangaliso Wetland Park and Nature Reserve. Um, this was to determine the distribution of the wild animals across the landscape in the nature reserve and to see the changes that has happened from the previous drought. Another project that I was involved in was the eel monitoring project in the Zimbali and Zimbiti eco estate in the KwaZulu-Natal province. There we were looking at the movement of eels across the dams in these eco estates. And we were checking whether these dams has an effect to the movement and life cycle of eels in the river channels, or whether they become safe havens for these eels to grow and mature, then go back to the ocean to complete their life cycle. Eel monitoring is not widely done in South Africa, and such projects add to the leaky knowledge we have about eels in the country. We also did freshwater fish river surveys across the KwaZulu-Natal province. So we were looking at the fish abundance, their diversity, and their occurrence along the river channels. We also took water samples for water quality testing. So here at CapeNature, for now, I'm more involved with fire reports. As we know that fire is one of the major components affecting the ecological functioning of our ecosystem here in the Western Cape province. And some of our plants, which are endemic to the province, are more or less reliant on fire for sprouting and seed dispersal. However, the high frequency of fires threatens our biodiversity, and it is thus important to monitor the occurrence of fires and keep fire records. Recently, I have been part of the geometric tortoise surveys at the Fourth Lane Nature Reserve. We know that geometric tortoise are endemic to the Western Cape province. And to me, it was an interesting encounter because we did find the geometric tortoise in one of the two sites in the Fourth Lane Nature Reserve. And we did find two other species like the patlopa and the ungulate tortoise. To improve our skills in the conservation sector, CapeNature has provided us with some training like the QGIS training, SAS training, and the CMSI survey app training, which is a user-friendly app for helping in data collecting in the field while offline, and then you'll come back synchronizing it to the same desktop app in the office for analysis. My journey in nature conservation has just started, and I believe I will be involved in more conservational projects in the near future, and hoping to get a permanent job in the conservational sector. Thank you.